Welcome to Pydle Day 52. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. It's similar to word games like Wordle. So today's Pydle is a greater than equals, greater than or equals, kind of combination of symbols that you see in programming quite a bit. Have a go at solving that. We'll now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was the Greek capital sigma symbol, or in maths it's used as the sum. Okay, so we only need to focus on the white pixels. So let's do our loop. Okay, swap the I around. So I modulus 5 for the x, I integer division for the y, and then we're using I as a convenience variable. Okay, so we only basically have the top two horizontals, and then these 3 pixels to exclude. So what we're going to do, we're just going to say if y not in 0,4, and we probably could have done something, x times y or something like that, but it's only 3 pixels, so we can just do I not in, and those pixels have unique IDs or indexes. That's why we kept the I as a convenience variable there, and those numbers are 6, 12, and 16. Colon, and then our Pydle statement, x, y. Okay, so that's a nice and simple one. Let's run that and see if we made any mistakes. Okay, that solves the Pydle. Have a go at solving this, and try solve today's Pydle, and I will see you again tomorrow for the solution.